The Bernese Mountain Dog. This breed is from Switzerland in the area of Bern. It's also known as the Durrbachler, a small town named Durrbach, where you could see this dog breed on every corner. Its other name is Sennenhund. It's a German word for the dog of the Alpine pastures. It's a group of 4 dogs: Grosse, the Bernese, Apfenzeller and entlebucher. They all share this very distinctive color code: a white horseshoe around the nose and rusty marks above the eyes, brown legs, a black coat and a white Swiss cross on the chest. Back to the old days, where these dogs were used by Alpine farmers as herding dogs in the mountains. Always ready to help at the farm, they were also used for pulling carts of milk and cheese. People call them cheese dogs. The poor man's horse is another surname that fits well to them. Imported by the Roman army 2000 years ago, they are the results of crossings between mastiffs and guard dogs. Its ancestor could be the Tibetan Mastiff. Nowadays, these dogs are popular as family dogs, the perfect dog breed for kids. This dog matures slowly. You will have a young dog for its first 3 years. It's also a loyal dog who will stick to you all the time. And as a glue dog, it will be easier to separation anxiety syndrome. Easy to groom and fitted with an anti-drooling system, you will love the company of this dog made for the outdoors. And as the old Swiss saying says, 3 years young dog, 3 years good dog, 3 years old dog, and anything else is a gift from God.